everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make a macrame diamond with a basket weave-like pattern in the center. Let's get started. To begin, I went ahead and attached 7 ropes to a dowel rod using a lark's head knot, and to save a little time, I've already gone ahead and made the top part of my macrame diamond. Now let's get to making the basket weave center. To make this pattern, I'm going to always think of it as using sections of 3 ropes. So I'm going to find my direct center and cut it in half. Then I'm going to take the 3 ropes here on the right side, all 3 ropes together, and I'm going to start attaching them to my leading rope, which is here on the far left, and it's going to point down into the diagonal to make that bottom half of the diamond. So starting with the first cord here, I take it behind that leading rope, curl it around to go through, pull it tight, then I take it in front of that leading rope to curl around and go through the loop, and I pull it tight. And you do want to kind of pull these tight so that there's tension here against this rope. You don't want it too loose. I take the next cord right up behind, curl it around and through, give it a nice gentle tug to tighten it. I bring that same rope in front to curl around to go through the loop, and I pull it tight. I do this once more with the next rope. Just like that. Now I'm going to come in and start doing part of this side. I'm going to take 3 ropes, so the 3 ropes nearest to the center on the left side. They're going to come behind what we just did and then attach to this leading rope. So that first one here comes up from behind. It goes over, around, and through. Pull it tight. Take it up, around, and through, and I pull it tight. And I'm just repeating this with the next 2 ropes. I'm going to take the next 3 ropes here on the right side, and I'm just going to attach them as well to this leading rope to finish this half of the bottom diamond part. Now I'm going to finish my basket stitch by taking the 3 ropes here remaining on the left and attaching them to the right side leading rope. Now this time I'm going to take these 3 ropes and I'm going to pull them so they come over this first section of 3. Now I'm going to send them under this bottom section of 3. So we're doing a little bit of weaving right here, but it's pretty simple. Just be careful not to tug on all your ropes too hard. And I will just be attaching those 3 ropes to my leading rope to finish the diamond. Just like that. And now I'm just going to connect the bottom part of my diamond here with those 2 ropes that we used as our leading ropes, and I'm just going to tie another double half hitch knot to do this. And there we go. This is a really fun way and fancy way, I think, to fill a macrame diamond. It looks like a basket is woven right there in the middle and is a great way to add variety to your wall hangings. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.